Romans
Romans
chapter 1,
chapter 1,
11 to
11 to
20.
20.
For I
For I
long to see you,
long to see you,
that I may
that I
impart
may impart
to you
to you
some spiritual
some
gift
spiritual gift
to strengthen you.
to strengthen you.
That is,
That is,
that we may be
that we may be
mutually
mutually
encouraged by each other's faith.
encouraged by each other's faith.
Both
Both
yours and mine.
yours and mine.
I want you to know,
I want you to know,
brothers,
brothers,
that I have often
that I have often
intended to come
intended to come
to you,
to you,
but thus far have been
but thus far has been
prevented,
prevented,
in order that
in order that
I may reap some harvest
I may reap some harvest
among you,
among you
as well as among the rest of the Gentiles.
among the rest of the Gentiles.
I am under
I am under
obligation
obligation
both to Greeks
both to Greeks
and
and
to barbarians,
to barbarians,
both to the wise
both to the wise
and to the foolish.
and to the foolish.
So I am eager to preach
So I am eager to preach
the gospel to you.
the gospel to you
Also,
also
who are in Rome.
who are in Rome.
For I am not ashamed
For I am not ashamed
of the gospel,
of the gospel.
for it is the power of God
For it is the power of God
for salvation
for salvation
to everyone
to everyone
who believes,
who believes,
to the Jews first,
to the Jews first,
and also to the Greek.
and also to the Greek.
For in it
For in it,
the righteousness of God
the righteousness of God
is revealed from
is revealed from
faith for faith,
faith for faith,
as it is written,
as it is written,
the righteous shall live
the righteous shall live
by faith.
by faith.
For the wrath of God
For the wrath of God
is revealed from heaven
is revealed from heaven
against all
against all
ungodliness
ungodliness
and unrighteousness
and unrighteousness
of men,
of man,
who by their unrighteousness
who by their unrighteousness
suppress the truth.
suppress the truth.
For what can be known
What can be known?
about God is plain to them,
For God is plain to them,
because
because
God has shown it to them.
God has shown it to them.
For his invisible attributes,
His invisible attribute,
namely
namely
his eternal power
His eternal power
and divine nature,
and divine nature,
have been clearly
have been clearly
perceived
perceived
ever since
ever since
the creation of the world,
the creation of the world
and the things
and the things
that have been made,
that have been made,
so they are without excuse.
so they are without excuse.
Without excuse.
Without excuse.
Romans
Romans
chapter 1,
chapter 1,
21 to
21 to
31.
31.
For although
For although
they knew God,
they knew God,
they did not honor him
they did not honor Him
as God
as God
or give thanks to him,
and give thanks to Him,
but they became
but they became
futile in their thinking,
fertile in their thinking,
and their foolish hearts were
and their foolish hearts were
darkened,
darkened.
claiming to be wise. They became fools
They became fools
and exchanged
and exchange
the glory of the
the glory of the
immortal God
immortal God
for images
for images
resembling mortal man and birds and animals and creeping things.
and creeping things.
Therefore God gave them
God gave them
up
up
in the lusts of their hearts
heart
to impurity,
to impurity,
to the dishonoring of their bodies
to the desiring of their body
among themselves,
among themselves,
because they exchanged the truth
because they exchanged
about God
for
for a lie and worshipped
and worship
and served
serve
the creature
the Creator
rather than the Creator,
than the Creator.
who is blessed forever.
Forever.
Amen.
Amen.
For this reason,
For this reason,
God gave them up
God gave
to
them
dishonorable passions,
passions
for their women exchanged
for the woman exchanged
natural relations
natural
for
relations those
that are contrary
that are contrary
to nature.
to
And the
nature.
men likewise
Women like us
gave up natural relations
give up natural relations
with women
with women
and were consumed
and were consumed
with passion
with passion
for one another,
for one another,
men committing
committing
shameless acts
shameless acts
with men
with
and
men
receiving in themselves
and receiving in themselves
the due penalty
penalty
for their error.
for their love.
And since they did not see
And since they did not see
to acknowledge God,
to acknowledge God,
God gave them up
God gave them up
to a
to a
debased mind
debased
to
mind
do
to do
what ought
what ought
not to be done.
not to be done.
They were filled with
They were filled with
all manner of
all manner of
unrighteousness,
unrighteousness,
evil,
evil,
covetousness,
covetousness,
malice.
malice.
They are
They are
full of envy,
full of envy,
murder,
murder,
strife,
strife,
deceit,
deceit,
maliciousness.
maliciousness.
They are gossips,
They are gossips,
slanderers,
slanderers,
haters of God,
haters of God,
insolent,
insolent,
haughty,
haughty,
boastful,
boastful,
inventors of evil,
inventors of evil,
disobedient to parents,
disobedient to parents,
foolish,
foolish,
faithless,
faithless,
heartless,
heartless,
ruthless.
ruthless,